kusase uThando Nesithembu u3 and 4 ama-episodes akhona, the bits and pieces of what happened there. Umayini naye sekhombana noMusa naye Umayini, guys. And Umayini said she's leaving. And every time you ask yourself, maybe it's bayahamba, nami ngifeel ukuthi abahambi ngani. Like, okay, you need to stand up for yourself and be like, I'm going now. Because the problem over the years, we've been discussing le nto leyo ukuthi ukuhamba esithembini, right? It's not something you must be told by another person. When finally, as a person, uthi lalela, this is the day, namhlanje. I'm gone. Friends and family can come and be like, oh my gosh, yeah, let dog, shit, it's never enough. Let's make a decision when and be like, today is the day. Ngiyahamba. I'm just like, bruh, please. The disrespect is a bit much. Another highlight is Mangwabe's child, la fika nayo esithenjini, right? La itholele ekhaya. Wasobona ukuthi fanele iqobule eze nayo esithenjini. My thing is that for years there's been problem ngale ngane. Umusa, how he's treated, the whole situation yalo mntwana lo mfana kaMangwabe. And ekudala-ke, you know how it was. Kuzothiwa nje futhi-ke nje uma ufuna ukushada ungashadi nengane yomfana. Ngoba uyothi basibona uma eshaya naye iyashaya, uyishaya lo baba. Like, that's how we grew up, Tina. Around those stories like that. Kokuvele kuthiwe nje no, ungahambi nengane yomfana, please. Ingane kaMangwabe-ke uSimphiwe-ke couldn't stay with them because uMangwabe was disrespectful. Disrespectful kanjani? Yabona nje uthi mase sengiyibuka kahle lento umsele just didn't accept this child. Namanje nje is because naye nomntana uyayihloniphela Nkosi yami, and uma wakhe is taking along with him. Is just like, course uzohlala mhlambe chances are lo mntana doesn't even want to stay with them. Uyazi leyo nto le mhlambe uyihlala nogogo wakhe happy and all of that. Disrespectful mawenze njani Mangwabe? Guys on social media, didn't they drag Umakhwela for resigning from her job? They were just like, what are you doing? Because the people don't do those things. One thing I know. One thing I've known anyways, because I've never really had to rely on anyone. So my thing is that, how can you leave your job? Uzorelax ba almost ne-TV nani? Because njengamanje abantu they talk about 7 income streams, 9 income streams, 10 income streams. I was looking at some Chinese girl, a business 10 income streams wakhe it's kodwa ngeke usefanele uyeke umsebenzi like a 9 to 5 from this 10 yakhe, because she's just now like exhausted at 29. Umakhwela yena ufuna ukuyeka umsebenzi wakhe like uzophila nga unengane encane. You need like 100 jobs. That's just my, you know, that's just my thing. I'm doing social media, but say sicela usiyeke uyekele ini umsebenzi. Athi uMakhwela and ubaba wakhe said she must resign. Bro, look, you listen to your dad. When you are a woman that's married, please, there's nothing like that. I think you be safe. I get a ngoba ebona ukuthi ubaba wakhe kasozazi ku-TV athi yabena unamanga likhwibona leyo today. So nje uMakhwela, guys, that move was not the right move. It's not a brilliant move at all. It's a crazy move. Like, who even does that at their age? You need like 10 income streams, to be honest. Except-ke ukuthi-ke uMusa uyiphiqiphiqi-ke around into kaMangwabe ukuthi wayeculela ukuthi abahamba uthi manje it's us the viewers that were singing that song. Hey, uMusa uyixokele iphiqiphiqi, guys, yabo, because he was just like, hey, umuntu masefuna ukuhamba ayihambele vele. In any case, mina number 5 years. That's how Musa thinks vele. In any case, it's like lalela njoba ngikwazi ukuthenga isinkwa ulofu isinkwa esitolo, nabafazi bami can actually do that. It's not hard. You know, ngingabathola anytime I want to get them. Noma ngwabe nje kodwa naye futhi she was a bit disrespectful around uMusa ukuthi anyhow ne-stroke sakho-ke sona-ke mhlawumbe sakwenza ukuthi ezinye izinto mhlawumbe usuyikhohle. I mean, guys, that's just like so insensitive, you know. Bese kuba that highlight-ke yengane-ke. No, I just feel like uMusa he was a bit much around indaba yengane. Wayirude enganeni kaMangwabe. I really, really believe that. Ayikabi. Yeah, you must just nje, guys, ningitshele ukuthi what do you think around that and comment. but nje i-wrong leyo nto. Fana nalento ukuthi iy'ngane they can interact. Sizoboreka phela thina as viewers if iy'ngane azi-interact zibonane and have fun together, you know, zazana. Eyi kunzima guys, ukuzalela esithenjini, it's the most difficult thing and because i-drama and some hatred going on there. It's not a nice thing, I don't know. But ziyakhula lezi zinto zisithembe elifini. Soke sime lapho guys, soke sibone again this coming week how it goes with this family. Ngoba ifamily masusubuka. Ngesithi families njengoba ngapha nama-wives abo uyabona ukuthi leza zindlu bayithengele bona. Those people work against. You know, how is Musa going to buy those houses? I get the cars things, the Mercedes and all of that he bought them. But the houses, guys, okay, that's a bit much. Noma sekuthiwa ene we produce. I think those houses, they are written under their names. Yabona nje ngiyambona uMakhumalo ukuthi okay, wavele wayithengela le ndlu seyazirenovate ngoba-ke vele yena she comes across as manje ngathi usenemali eningi. Although at some stage uMacele used to look like unemali eningi ngoba she had a boutique there in Potchefstroom. So in town there, like not in town as such, but in those really posh malls there in Potchefstroom. So my thing is that no, bayithengele leza zinto guys, please let's face this. But you can comment guys, ningitshele now, what do you think? Did they buy these houses ngey'mali zabo, or did uMusa give them something to say, okay, faka na deposit of some sort so that you can be able to get a house? No, I don't think so. Thank you guys. Ngithanda over.